Welcome to this new crew training video. Today we're going to explore an essential topic: workplace safety and your rights as employees. Every worker has the right to a safe working environment, but it's also important to understand what those rights are and how you can protect yourself and your colleagues. Let's dive in. So, why does workplace safety matter? First and foremost, it ensures that you can work in an environment where accidents, injuries, and long-term health issues are minimized. When safety is prioritized, it not only keeps you healthy but also increases overall productivity, since fewer injuries mean fewer delays. From the employer's perspective, it also reduces legal risks and liability. Ultimately, a safe workplace benefits everyone. Now, let's look at what can happen in an unsafe workplace. Increased risks of injury, low employee morale, and high turnover are just a few of the potential outcomes. Legal and financial consequences for the company can be severe as well: penalties, lawsuits, and damage to the company's reputation. These are serious consequences, which is why workplace safety is not just an obligation, but a necessity. As employees, you have specific rights when it comes to workplace safety. First, you have the right to a safe environment, free from unnecessary hazards. Employers must inform you of potential hazards, and you should receive proper training on safety procedures and the correct use of equipment. These rights are guaranteed to ensure your safety on the job. One critical right that's often overlooked is your right to refuse unsafe work. If you're asked to perform a task that could put you in immediate danger, you have the legal right to refuse that work. And here's the key point: you cannot be punished for protecting yourself. If you ever find yourself in that position, report the issue to your supervisor, explain your safety concerns, and request that the issue be corrected before continuing. Another important right you have is the right to report safety hazards without fear of retaliation. If you see something unsafe, it's your responsibility to report it, whether it's a faulty machine, a spill, or a missing safety barrier. You can report hazards to your supervisor, HR, or even anonymously through company hotlines. Reporting protects not only you but also your coworkers, so never hesitate to speak up. Now, let's talk about personal protective equipment, or PPE. Employers are required to provide this equipment when your job exposes you to physical or chemical hazards. Depending on your work environment, this might include helmets, gloves, goggles, or ear protection. It's your right to receive and use this equipment. And remember, using PPE isn't just a formality, it's your first line of defense against accidents and injuries. So to wrap up, here are the key points to remember. Safety is your right. Every workplace must be safe. You have the right to refuse unsafe work. Remember that you should report hazards whenever you see them to protect yourself and others. And finally, don't forget to use the proper safety equipment and follow safety protocols. Thank you for your attention today. Remember, by knowing your rights and exercising them, you help create a safer, more productive workplace for everyone.